संस्कार लाइव कर दो. Hi, good morning everyone. Hi Sanskar. Hi.
Hi, Shrey.
Are we live?
Yeah, we are live now.
Great, great. So, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sunday Live from CipherSchools. We are back with another learning session for you all. So, at CipherSchools, we've always been about making learning fun and bringing out new features for you every at regular intervals. So, today we'll be talking about another feature that we've added recently. We have added the resume builder feature to our website where you can create professional looking resumes without any hassle. You can preload your information into 3 pre-made templates which are accepted by top companies worldwide, and you do not have to worry which template is the perfect one for your next interview. So head over to our resume section and you'll be able to create professional looking resumes within no time. And to talk more about this feature, we have with us Sanskar today. He'll take you through the feature step by step and explain you more about it on our platform. Over to you, Sanskar.
Okay, thank you, Shrey. And hi, everyone. So basically, आज we'll talk about the resume builder. So this is our new feature where you can build a resume. And the resume is like divided into three categories. That is the fresher, experienced, and the modern resume. So if we'll talk about the freshers, so the first priority is about the education. If you are belong to a fresher category, like you are in a college or you're about to graduate, so it's like you have a priority about the education, then your internship programs, and then your co-curricular activities or extra activities like hackathon and other things. And if we'll talk about experience, so it's like you have experience with working in certain companies, so you can put over there. And the modern resume, it's like I'll show you. The modern resume is bit organized, and you'll get the modern look regarding the resume. And apart from this, if we'll start with the fresher, so there's two things. If we'll start making a resume, so either you can make by login and without login. So if we'll talk about login, so all you need is to just go to the profile section. If you don't have the Cypher Schools account, you just need to create get for get started. And if you have, just like I have the account, so it's 1 second. Yeah. So the benefit when you log in for the Schools account, you'll get all the data saved and you can easily manipulate it later on. And if you'll go without login, so only once you can create the resume and you can download it. If you want to manipulate the data, then you need to reinsert the data if you open the new page. So let's start with the fresher resume. So we'll take the fresher one and next. So this is the layout where we categorized this resume like the personal information, education, experience, skill set, projects, certifications, and additional if you want to add something. So we'll start with the personal information. So this is the layout. You will get the real-time layout while after adding the things. Let's say I'll show you. I'll add my first name. Okay. And the email and the phone number. Let's say I'll write some random number, and my GitHub profile. If you want to add your GitHub link, these all are optional. Like you can see the star mark over there, like the star on first name, last name, email, and location. These are the priority one, and it's not optional. You need to add that. Okay, so GitHub link, if you want, you can add or you can skip it. So yeah, after clicking button on add, so you can see like yeah, Sanskar Rolia, then the email, location, number, GitHub, LinkedIn, and portfolio. Now we'll move next to the next section, that is education. So in education, it's like you can add as much education you want. Generally we prefer two or three. So it's like, uh, let's say I'll add one of my education. It's from so and so college, Bangalore. It's B, then computer science engineering, and the starting month and the grand month. So it's like, I started in 19, somewhat around June or July, and the end is June 2023. The score type you can select like GPA, CGPA, and percentage. So I guess you know all about this. So let's select CGPA and I'll put something like 8 and add. So after clicking to add button, you'll see over there. यहाँ पे you'll get a dedicated section where it will tell academic details, examination, university, branch, year, and scope. So if you want to add another, so all you need to rewrite your other details, like I'll write my 12th school in Paro, so science, PCM. So it started in 18th, I guess, April, and April this. So you can select percentage. If you have CGPA, you can go with CGPA. You can select percentage or something. 85, just add. After adding, you can see it will reflect over here. Like the first one we added as my college, like Rajarashmi College of Engineering. And the another one is my school name, that is GGPS, and so and so. Now we can move to next section, that is experience. So if we'll talk about fresher resume, so experience बहुत important होता है. If you have a experience in internship, you can write your internship experience. And if you have other than experience, so you can skip this part. You can jump over to the additional details, and you can write your personal project. This project belong, you can write this for your personal project also, as well as the school college project. So if we'll talk about experience, so employer, let's say I'll write ABC something, the job title as full stack web dev. Start date is around, say, 2/23, and the end date is um, 4/23, and the location is, let's say, Bangalore. So here key achievement is like, it's mandatory. You need to write what and all things जो आपने किया during your internship or your job. So it's like you can write, if let's say I'm doing full stack web development, so I can write I have created the UI part. In UI part, what tools I have used, like Figma or Adobe XD, and why, and you can also write if you developed the UI part. So it's like you can use the technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or React, anything. So let's say I have worked on front-end technologies, which includes includes React.js, like that you can mention. So if you'll click over add button, so you can see here it will tell the work experience, and it will reflect like full stack web development, the company name ABC, location, and the date. And the pointers you can add as many as you want. So it's like I have worked on a front end technology which includes HTML, JavaScript, or React.js. So again, if you want to add another experience, so all you need to do is, again, you need to write ABC, some random name, uh, full stack or this time we'll take backend. Start from 0 to 23, 04, 2023, Delhi, then the achievements which you have. So you can write have worked on, let's say, Node.js and so on. So if you click over the add button, you can see like, yeah, the work experience, the backend development, ABCD with the company name, Delhi location and the date and what you have achieved. Next, we can move to the skill set part. So here in skill set, we are divided into multiple categories like programming, libraries or framework, tools or platform, and databases. So if we'll talk about programming, so let's say I have skill in C++, and if you want to add more skills, all you need is to insert a comma, then a space, and you can write like Python, then you can write Java, or we can say core Java, anything. And if you worked on libraries or framework, so you can write like Django or Python, then Tailwind, CSS framework, and the tools. If you have any worked on any tools, let's say it's Adobe tools like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, InDesign, XD, anything. So you can write like I worked on Figma, then Adobe XD. Databases you want, you can add. Let's say I'll add uh, MySQL, then Mongo, DB. Done. All you need is to just tap on add button and it will reflect here. The technical skills are the languages C, C++, Core Java, Python, framework is like Django, Tailwind, databases, SQL, MySQL, and MongoDB, and tools is Figma, Adobe XD. You can add as many as you want. So all you need is to just add comma, and let's say I'll write Canva. So add. So it will reflect Canva, right? So it's that easy. Next, we'll move to the section that is project. So project, if you have worked on a project, it's compulsory. You need to add as of now a GitHub link. So let's say I have a project called Real Quick. Okay, it's the title. Then I have the GitHub link. Let's say I'll copy it from my profile. Okay, so the GitHub link and the project link. It's optional. Let's say if you hosted that project anywhere, either in Heroku or Netlify or anywhere, Vercel. So you can give the link. Then the date when you started on the project, working on the project. It's like I have started in around 22 Feb and it's ended in April 8. So the project description is important, like what you did in the project. It includes the implementation and the functionalities and everything. So I think I can copy. Yeah. So basically, all you need is to write the project description. Done. So all you need is to just click on add button. So yeah, you can see the project. The project name, it's reflected. It's real quick. The GitHub link, the date you started and the date when you completed, and the brief description about the project. So if you want to add another also, you can tap like you can give COVID-19 live tracker. Again, the GitHub link. So Yeah, and the project link. So I guess I have the project link for this. So yeah, info dot inspire dot. So yeah, all you need is to just copy the link जहाँ पे ये hosted है. So I've used Netlify. So yeah, and the description if you want to add, and it's optional. So you need to write. Let's say this is a repository based on blah 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 blah, and paste, add. So after adding this, you can see here the Railquick, GitHub, then the description about the project, and another project is the COVID-19 tracker. Again, the GitHub link, the date when I started and it's completed, and a brief description about the project. Yeah, so this is about the project part. If we'll move to the certifications, so you can see we have three categories in that: the title and the certificate link along with the issued by. So let's say I'll add few of my certificate. Let's say Python, Python for data science. A certificate link. So I guess I have. So this is the link. All you need is to insert the certificate link and issued by. So it's issued by NPTEL. Then add. So yeah, you can see here certifications. So it's a clickable link. So whenever you will tap it, you will get a separate window for the certificate verification issued by the respective domain. So if you want another, so let's say I'll add Python basic Python. Then the link, I'll add some random link now. Then issued by so and so company. And you can add. Okay, so yeah, it's mandatory. Please enter a URL. So you need to enter a URL, without that it won't work. So let's say this is the URL, then add. Yeah. So you can see here the certification in that Python for data science, again NPTEL, basic Python, ABC or a random company. Yeah. So this is about the certification. You can add as many certifications you want. Next we'll talk about the additional part. So let's say you have participated in some other activities, let's say hackathon or any project presentation or the paper presentation. So you can write the custom heading. I can write like hackathon or activity. I'll write extra activities. So I can write about my hackathon, which I have participated, like national level hackathon that is conducted by BBIT. And, and so yeah, you can see here it's like extra activities, national level hackathon, DBIT Bangalore. So you can add as many extra activities or achievements you have. So you can add directly over there. So this is about the fresher part of the resume builder. I think ये थोड़ा सा छोटा लग रहा है because I filled the less details. But if we'll talk about others also, let's say uh, जिसमें डिटेल्स ज़्यादा होता है, तो I'll do, I'll change it to experience resume. So उसके लिए all you need is to again tap on the resume experience. Then next, you'll check. You can see here. Would you like to continue with the draft or the new? If you will tap on the new button, so it will take all new data you need to insert manually, and the draft जो आपने previously बनाया, so it will switch over that. So I'll select draft, and you can see it's changed to the modern no experience resume, and the same details like personal, then experience, project, education, skills, certifications, and extra activities. So here also you'll get the all same details like personal information, education, all those stuff. So now if you want to download it, just tap on the download button. So yeah, resume is saved and ready to download. So all you need is to just tap on download and it's downloaded. Desktop, save, resume. So yeah, so if we'll talk about like I have added LinkedIn, so it's clickable. GitHub is also clickable. Yeah, it's clickable and it's working. Then we can check about certification. Let's say Python for data science. So yeah, it's working. So this is about the resume. So we have three categories in the resume. So you can see the fresher, experience, and the modern one. So you can change to modern also, experience also, and fresher after making the resume. And another thing, if you make the resume without login, so the thing is, whenever you'll come next time, you need to insert the same data again. Then we'll talk about the mobile view. So same thing you can do with your mobile also. So all you need is like just open CipherSchools.com. Then if we'll talk about mobile view, so let's say I'll select 12 Pro. Then all you need is to go start learning now. So you can see here, free resume builder. Just tap on build resume. The same layout you'll get just as the desktop version. Just like you'll get the fresher section, experience and modern resume. So just fresher per tap and go down and next. So you can see you can get the option to preview. Just tap on the preview button and you are good to go. So this is about the resume builder, and the importance of this resume builder is like now it's free of cost. There is you no need to pay for the resume, and the other thing, if we'll see other resume, so they are limited to the certain things like you can add few elements only or you can add few sections. So here we believe that if you have skill set, you have experience, everything, so you need to write the things in the resume and you're good to go, and you can download easily. So that's it about the resume builder, and there are more things coming up and वो सारे lined up है. So I guess आप लोग को वो अच्छा लगेगा. So as of now, this is all about the resume. We'll meet next time, and next time is Pakka workshop, and I guess uh, you guys are interested. So next time, what we'll do, if you have any suggestions and all, so you can drop it in community or directly to the any social handles like LinkedIn or Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. So that is it for today. Uh, we'll meet next week with a workshop. And thank you for joining, guys. Have a nice day. Okay, I guess we have certain comments. Actually, I missed that. So there is a question for Nitesh. Okay, so I believe creating a resume should be a one-time process. So can I update it on Cypher Schools platform after a few months? Nitesh. So it's like all you need is to just log in, सेम चीज़ जो मैंने बताया था, आपको लॉगिन करना होगा। लॉगिन करने के बाद ऑल यू नीड इज़ टू बिल्ड योर रेज्यूमे, सो वो बैकअप रहेगा, आपका डेटा सेव रहेगा, एंड लेटर ऑन यू कैन अपडेट एंड मैनिपुलेट इट. So there's a question from Anurag. Is this free or is it we need to pay later to use this feature? So Anurag, it's like the feature is completely free. All you need is to just hop onto the website cypherschools.com, and वहाँ से डायरेक्टली रिज्यूमे बिल्डर का यू विल गेट अ सेक्शन रिज्यूमे, एंड वहाँ से डायरेक्टली यू कैन बिल्ड. Another question is from Saurabh Pandey. Yeah. So how is this feature different from existing resume builder? Well, Saurabh, if we'll talk about the other resume builders, so it's like जहाँ तक मैंने use किया है other resume builders, so it's like they have certain limitations, like you can add details up to one page. आप दो पेज का resume नहीं बना सकते if you have more experience or the work. So वहाँ पे वो lack होता है. And the other thing is like it's completely free. Other resume is like कि उन्होंने कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड मॉडल है. either you can pay for one resume और 1 month का कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है या फिर लाइफ टाइम का. बट what we are doing here कि we made it entirely free for you guys. Yeah. So this is the main difference between other resumes and the resume which we build. Yes. Again, we have a question from Anurag. Uh, uh, how to keep my resume saved and be able to edit later. Is that possible? Same thing. The question asked by Nitesh. Same है. All you need is to be while making resume, और अगर आपने start कर दिया without login, so you'll get option after creating, you'll get option like if you want to log in, so entire data आपका save हो जाएगा in the account, and then later on you can manipulate it and you can change as much as you want, and it's entirely free. Yeah. Okay, so other question is from Saurabh. Okay. Is this resume builder only for technical role or is it also available for non-tech roles? So Saurabh, actually, it's for both technical and non-technical. And for future, we'll push more updates regarding this non-tech wala role. We'll get a dedicated section where the technical and the non-technical part. So for future updates, we'll do more changes and more frequently updates. So yeah, you'll get, and it's available for tech and non-tech roles. Uh, yeah, so as Anurag said, in Canva there's issue with trouble with alignments and all. So yeah, in our resume we fixed, like we allotted the certain sections कि हाँ यहाँ पे education आना चाहिए, then यहाँ पे experience आना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए you don't need to struggle. Everything is lined up. All you need is to enter the details, and you can easily start building your resume. Any other questions do we have? Like Nitesh and Anurag said, this is cool. Yeah, this is like actually cool. Apart from this, we do have other features. So if I can show you, let's say I'm on this website. You can see here CipherSchools is written over here, right? So if you switch back for some other work, so you'll get notified. Like where is CipherSchools? You can see a little kind of a pop-up kind of a thing. It's like come back. So it's make easy to use website. And the other thing is like if you have seen our carousel part also. So yeah, it's kind of cool feature which you can use and you can play with it. Okay. So do we have other questions? Okay, Anurag said thank you. Okay. So I guess that is it. Any other questions do we have? I guess no. Okay guys. So I guess अब हमें wind up कर देना चाहिए. तो if you have any queries or any doubt, so what you can do, you can just open to our community page or any social handle. So from there, directly up suggestion, yeah, feedback, anything if you want, you can drop over there. या फिर upcoming days में if you want any sort of webinars या workshop जो होना चाहिए, if you want, so we can do that also. And please start using our resume builder, and it will help to build your resume builder, and it's really like a great thing. Can we generate a clickable link for GitHub or project link? Okay, so sort of yes, you can. As I have shown, like resume ka PDF is there. Yeah. So if you have a general GitHub account जो आपको directly mention करना है, so all you need is to just enter your GitHub profile link. So just all you need is to tap on the link, and it will be redirect to the GitHub profile, and yeah, it's clickable. And if we'll talk about certifications also, so yes, in certifications also there is a clickable option. Like you, all you need is to insert your link, and it will be the clickable one. And same goes with the project. So here I have added two projects. Like one is Rail Quick, another one is COVID-19 Live Tracker. So yes, if you will tap on the link below, so it will redirect to the project repository or anything, as you can see. Right, so yeah, it's clickable, and it's for both, like the project, if you have the profile or the GitHub profile or your portfolio, anything, so you can make it clickable. Even same goes with the certification. Okay, so any other queries you guys have? Okay, I guess we are done with the session today. So अगर कोई doubt है तो you can directly open to the community part, and वहाँ से will get clarified all your doubts. So that is it for today, guys. So we'll meet in next week. Next week may we plan a workshop. So we'll update soon in our community and social handles. So if you have not joined yet, so I'll share the link also. So join the community part. Wait, I'll share community. Um, Participants invite, copy. Okay. So yeah, you can join our community using this link. And once again, thank you for joining the session, guys. And if you need any sort of help regarding any, let's say, study things or anything, you can just hop onto our community part. And one more thing, this resume builder is really cool. Just try it out. If you have any issues or anything, just drop your feedback or suggestion to our community. Surely we'll work on it. Thank you for joining, guys. We'll see you in the next week. And once again, thank you.